sir.
Good evening, Preet.
Thank you for joining. So, we want to learn your experience with us so far. You have been associated with us for a long, long time. We have supported us for a long journey. So, how was your experience with Informa Markets in India?
So I think it's a question which is very nostalgic because I think everyone is born in an industry, and I was born in pharma. And in the first year of my being in pharma, I was also sent to worldwide CPHI.
Oh.
And that's where I started making friends, because that time it was like a very, very unique religious ceremony to be able to attend CPHI. Only the best few would get chance then to attend the worldwide CPHI. And I think all my memories are now linked to CPHI, which is the leading show in pharma. And Informa has been part of life. I think if that is not a very great statement, but that is what it is.
So, when CPHI decided to launch it in India, what was the feeling at that time?
I think the moment CPHI decided to come to India, before that, I think I was also one of the advocates to tell the teams then that India is a growth story, and CPHI, which is at the forefront of pharma industry, has to participate and catalyze that entire growth. And I think if I have to look at Indian pharma industry in terms of, if I have to write a book, I'll say that before CPHI came to India and after CPHI came to India.
That's what we look forward to learn from the industry captains, that how we can improve on a day-to-day basis. So, if you want to help us where we can improve our services, how we can help you and your business to grow, what are the areas you want to touch upon?
So I think my only request would be that hire bigger grounds, hire bigger exhibition centers, so that you do not disappoint any Indian organization. I think from the time humble beginnings of CPHI in the first year to now, where there is no floor space left and all corridors completely kind of overbooked and oversold, I think you need bigger space. So that's the only advice I have. Otherwise, everything is going great for.
So for that we are lobbying with the industry, with the venue to increase their expansion.
Yeah.
But the challenge is obviously not many shows of that scale. So
no,
so
I can understand completely.
Yeah, so that's where the investments are part of it. But there are plans. There are plans that another venue is going to be built in Greater Noida.
Okay.
So that's, I think,
bigger and better.
So bigger and on the similar size, but it will be easier for us to.
Wonderful.
Maybe.
That's a good news.
That is one day it will happen for sure.
So nice.
Yeah. Sir, already you have advocated Informa Markets to many people in the industry. What else means, if you have to tell other people or other industry about your experience with Informa Markets, what else you want to share with us?
I think if I have to just kind of look at Informa is very quality oriented. So Informa, the way that they interact with the industry and therefore contribute, it is based on quality. So they bring out the best out of the industry. So my advice to all the industry members would be part of it. And it is not only the exhibition part of it, but there are many other events which happen. So go and speak to your nearest representative for Informa, figure out, and their marketing team is just genius. So devise strategies. Like we at Fermenta Biotech, we are a pharma company. We are the largest producers of vitamin D3, and we export about 80% globally. We are completely accredited by different regulatory agencies and all. So we have worked with Informa in a very unique manner of promoting the awareness for deficiency of vitamin D3. And I think this was unique and it was accepted, and we kind of stepped out of the regular out-of-box thinking. We did out-of-box thinking, stepped out of the box, and did events and kind of things within CPHI which were to promote the awareness for T3. And that worked, helped grow the market awareness, because it is possible. And the team at Informa is very flexible in understanding your needs and then curating something which completely changes the experience for you. So go and speak to the people at Informa. They are very flexible.
So you partly answer my next question, which is coming, like, what are the next things you want us to add in that, our product line or our business line which can help your business, or the features at the show maybe?
Yeah. In my opinion, I think the exhibition remains the central part, but the conventions and the exhibition, the conferences that you do, I think more towards skill development of the industry. Because I think today most of the industry in India, because of the bursting speed at which we are growing as an Indian economy, is mind-boggling. It is in all segments, and talent, I think, is the biggest kind of need for the industry. So Informa work with industry specialists like us, will be more than happy to guide, gets involved in some kind of initiative on talent development, skill development, which is also a government of India's very big project with more than 2 lakh crore being given for skill development. I think Informa is at a right place to influence positively all industries that you operate in.
Very valuable feedback, because skill is one thing, means all industry, means the pace they are growing, including us, they are seeking talent in the market and finding it difficult.
Yeah.
So definitely the
further growth should not get jeopardized because we lack talent.
Yes.
I think, and all of us have responsibility to fulfill that gap.
Great. Thank you. So thank you, Prashant sir. Thank you for joining.
Thank you so much for this
It's great talking
invitation,
to you.
and it is nice talking to you, Priya.
Thank you.
Thank you.